So the first one, I want to show you how to tie a square knot. So first thing, we take this rope and this rope, we put this one on the second rope, and then we twist it like this. After that, we take this rope, the first one rope, we put on the second rope again, and then we twist it like this. And here we go, the square knot. The next one is a single sheet bend. So we take the first rope and we make a loop like this. We make a loop like this, and then we insert the second rope inside the loop, and then we twist it around the loop like this, and then we get something like this. And then we take this rope, this one, and we twist it under the first rope, under the second rope, and then we just pull it. So this is a single sheet bend knot. So the next one is a double bend sheet knot. So the first one, we take the first rope and we make a loop like this again, and then we take the second rope and then we insert it inside the loop, and then we twist it again like this, and we have something like this. And then we put it under the second rope like this, and then we twist it again, and then put it under the second rope like this, and then we just pull it. And then yeah, here we go, the double sheet bend knot. The next one is a single bowline knot. So for this knot, we only need just one single rope. So the first thing we need to do is make a circle anywhere you want, and then we take this end of the rope and insert it inside the circle like this, and then we twist it like this. Then we put it again around the circle, and then we just tighten it. So this is single bowline knot. The next one is a double bowline knot. So what we're gonna do, we just need only a single rope also, and then we make a rope like this, and then we need to make a loop. We need to make a circle again wherever you want, like this. Okay, then we take this end and insert like this, and just twist it like this, and then insert it again inside the circle and just tighten it. So this is a double bowline knot. Next one is a clove hitch knot. So for this knot, we only need just one single rope, and then the first thing is we take this rope and just put the rope like this and make an X like this X, and then we just insert the end of the rope between this X, and then you just tighten it, and you get something like this. So this is a clove hitch knot. So the next one, we call it as a figure of 8. So this only need just one single rope. The first thing is make a circle like this, and then just twist it under the loop, and then just insert the end of the rope inside the loop, and then yeah, this is the figure of 8. The next one is a figure of 8 loop. So we take a single rope, and then we make a bike like this, Then we make a loop by this bike. This. And then we just twist it under the loop. Then we just insert this end of the bike, insert the loop, and then just pull it. And we got something like this. So this is a figure of 8 loop. So how can we make a loop after we make a figure of 8? So what we need is just a single rope, and then we just need to make a figure of 8. Like this. So this is our figure of 8. And then we just make a loop like this, just a big loop, and then we just follow the knot that we have done like this. So for this, just follow this one, and then we make a twist like this. Then we just follow it until the end, and you got something like this. So this is how you make a loop as you have the figure of 8.